How can I repair my online reputation? There are many steps that you yourself can take to help repair your online reputation. Speaking to an attorney, reaching out to an experienced attorney in this area is a good first step. My firm has been very successful in helping clients improve their online reputation. In order to push down Google search results of URL links containing negative content, there are many steps that you can take. For instance, you can start a blog and update posts regularly. You can maintain social media networks. Also, linking between your blog and social media will help. An individual can also comment on public articles and news posted on the internet. A person does have a certain amount of control over what type of content is posted about them on the internet. For example, personal blogs, personal websites, and social media profiles are all content that you can control. It is important to know that when posting content to the internet, there is always the risk that the information can be found by others and duplicated on other places on the internet. That's why it's very important to be mindful of what you're putting out there in the internet. It is important to speak to an attorney, to reach out to an attorney who is experienced in advising clients who have been victims of online defamation.